This is the inspiring story of a brave girl named Julia. Julia lived with her father Benz and her brother Jim in a small city area. Her mother had passed away, and the family was living a very poor and simple life. Julia was only 17 years old. Because of financial problems, she could not continue her education after primary school. But Julia was different. Even in difficult times, she stayed hopeful. She always listened to motivational speakers and dreamed of changing her family's life. Julia had a special talent. She was an amazing cook and baker. Her food had a natural taste that everyone loved. Life changed suddenly. One day, Julia's father Benz visited a factory. There, the canteen supervisor told him, "We need someone who can prepare lunch for 80 factory workers daily. This can become a great earning opportunity." Benz came home excited and shared the news. But Jim immediately refused. He said, "This work is too hard, and what will people say?" Julia looked at him and said confidently, "There is no shame in honest work. Every job has dignity." Her words gave her father courage. Finally, Benz accepted the offer. Every day, Julia prepared delicious meals with love and dedication. Soon, the factory workers started praising her food. After some time, the factory offered them a dinner contract too. The small opportunity turned into a big business. They hired more workers, and slowly the family became financially strong. Now, Julia's family lived a happy and successful life. Neighbors who once doubted them now respected them. Julia proved one powerful truth. Honesty and hard work can change destiny. Moral of the story: no work is small or big. Work is work. Respect comes from hard work. If you liked this motivational story, please like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring videos.